Hello there everyone, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm actually in the middle of my trip to a meeting. I'm in the lobby of Address and actually Four Seasons in the AFC in Dubai. But anyway, I promised to make this emergency update, and this is gonna be not the best looking video, but subscribe, hit that notification bell, and call me Mr. Sperondon on the comments, because I told you what to do today when, again, not financial advice, but what I'm just personally doing, because we were expecting the CPI reading for the inflation, and it came in quite good, actually. So let's have a look. So basically here we can see that the forecast was 6.0, and the actually came in at 6.0 as well. So it was a big drop from 6.4, and it actually went lower. So this, and also if we're gonna take a look at the core CPI, then actually we had a forecast of 5.5, and it actually also came in at 5.5, which, as you can see right here, the core CPI, which is actually also quite important for us. I mean, it is still quite sticky, but at least it met the forecast. So this is what, and I apologize for the background noises, I'm just doing it as I go. So I hope you guys appreciate it. So like this video, please, because for the algorithms, it's, YouTube doesn't like shorter videos and these kinds of with a bunch of distractions, but I'm doing this as it's happening because I run so many other things and a bunch of businesses. So I'm just doing this update to the best of my ability right now. So what does this mean for the price in general? So right now, Bitcoin really is taking it as something very positive. Certainly, if we're going to take a look that right now, we are in the Bitcoin price, we're actually breaking the 25,000 mark. So this is enough for us to actually push higher. And certainly, as I told you, as for my trade, I've taken a trade, it's a $500,000 Bitcoin long, and certainly, again, if it just, because there is a lot of volume right now, if it just suddenly turns around, flips and goes down, because of whatever, that it's like we anticipated this, it actually happened, and now it's actually going to be going to the downside, I will just flip it to short. So that's how I usually do this, but I'm going to certainly keep you guys updated. So in the previous trade we did exceptionally well. Not every trade is a profit, but again, join my free Discord channel. There is a link to it down in the description of this video, and also if you want to be trading over on Bybit, then there is an exclusive link down in the description of this video as well. And with this link you can claim up to $30,000 initial deposit bonuses, enter into a Rolex giveaway. Also, if you deposit more than, you can pause the video and have a look at all the insane bonuses you're getting. But for now, as we can see, we are at very important resistance, and this is very dangerous. So I entered as early as I possibly could, so that's why I already have like $15,000 in profits. However, this is a very tough entry because I really wanted to wait and see as to what is going to happen with CPI, because if it would be bad, I'd probably be shorting it. But right now I'm giving it a try into trend, but we're standing at a very important resistance, which again, let's go to the daily chart, and I really apologize for the background noises. There's nothing I can freaking do about this, and there wasn't a quieter place that I could select for this video, unfortunately. So as of right now, we have this resistance, which is 25,000, which we're trying to break right now. So this just technically is not really a beautiful long trade because it's going right into resistance after we had such an exhaustion of the move already. So it is quite dangerous, and I was just using proper risk and money management here. And if it turns really fast, because right now the banking sector is still collapsing, and whether this narrative of people moving from fiat and the traditional banking system into crypto, we'll see. But most importantly, we're standing at a very important resistance. But if we break it, let me just show you what is going to happen if we actually manage to break it. So if we can actually manage to break it, the VPVR is going to help us understand what's coming, because as soon as we get out of this area of 25K and we break it, then the way is open in terms of the volume. There isn't much volume actually standing right here. So the way will be open to 29. So basically, the way will be open to $30,000, which is actually our next target, our next psychological level, which is $30,000 per Bitcoin. So this is, again, if we stabilize at least, let's go to 4-hour chart. This is what I would personally want to see, and that's why it's like so shaky right now that I'm just keeping my hand or my finger on the pulse to flip short if it's going to be a big momentum to the downside, which could happen. I warn you, it could happen. That's why join my free Discord channel. There's a link down in the description of this video. It could happen because we have such a huge exhaustion already. I mean, so much power was already spent on this move to the upside, but at the same time we cannot ignore positive CPI. So, and right now banking sector is failing, unemployment is going up, and also we are seeing CPI actually go down a little bit. So this is quite positive. This could mean that Fed is not going to increase the interest rates, or will do one last increase and finish and pivot soon after, closer to summer, and start printing money well after that time passes. So therefore, this could be the beginning of a bigger upside move for Bitcoin. This, bear market relief rally until we see 2024 and actual momentum into Bitcoin halving, etc. So, but for now, just technically, guys, very important point. And again, I already have quite a nice profit on my side, $17,000 in just literally a tiny move. But this was a degen early entry, so always be very careful with these. It's just I was using my hunch here, but that's quite quite dangerous, quite frankly. But anyway, so right now we want to see. Let's go to a 4-hour chart right here, and we want to see at least, so the candle in 4 will close in 3 hours. And then again, and this is going to be so we basically can confirm this in like 3.5 hours, the actual break above 25k. For now, anything can change. The price can actually flip. I'll probably have to bear a loss and flip it to short. And again, guys, if that's going to be the case, I'm going to keep you updated. So this is the current situation. And if you guys appreciate these, once again, like, subscribe, share it. There's a share button down below here on YouTube, so you can share it with your friends and family members, because we've been making some crazy money here on this YouTube channel. This is a huge trade, but let's see if it plays out. If not, then we can quickly reposition ourselves. And just in general, the CPI is quite good. So check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. And as always, peace and love. Time scroller, stay smart, stay very rich, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.